How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in right under 399 square feet. So this week we've kept it modern, and we're bringing to you what is called the Wedge. What makes the Wedge so unique is the raised roof line. In the back of the home, it sits a little bit lower. It just gives that modern slope as it rises throughout the front of the home. From front to back, there are transom windows going down, and in the front of the home, you have a large transom window with a lot of glass and natural light to give it that nice modern look. So guys, the outside is breathtaking, so we brought you to the inside to show you what we've done. We gave it a nice farmhouse look. As you can see, there is shiplap everywhere. There's shiplap from floor to ceiling, front to back of this home, everywhere, giving that nice, clean aesthetic, and it is a nice look overall. If you see all the transom windows bringing that natural light compared with the white in contrast, makes it very bright, very airy. And if you look as well, we have wood beams just giving that nice little accent, and those go from front to back as well. And you'll see we're right here in the flow of the living and kitchen area. Right here in the living area, we have the built-in entertainment center. We've got space right above for a flat screen TV. We've got the sliding glass doors up front with the blinds in the glass, so you can raise them and lower them at your convenience and never have to worry about cleaning them. And it flows perfectly right into your kitchen area. You have a lot of countertop space all the way around. Got the nice stainless steel farm sink, and I love the cabinets right here. You see we got nice cabinets here in between, real wood painted white, again to match everything going on in the house. We've got the nice smooth top, and we've got the nice convection oven above. See right over here, we've placed the refrigerator to the side. That way it gives it a lot of space in the kitchen, but it still gives you enough for a full-size refrigerator. We've added cabinets up above, and we'll take you into the center of the home. This is the part that I like. Closes off on each side by a white pocket door. We've added your connections for your stackable washer and dryer. And for those who work from home that need a space, this has a built-in desk with cabinets as well. This is great for studying, for doing work, or for the children. And you'll see right across from that, we have more storage space. We have 6 cabinets, large cabinets at that, from top to bottom. And it flows right across to your bathroom. You'll see right here, we've got the nice countertop matching the countertop into the kitchen. Residential toilet hooks right into city sewer or septic. Got the nice cabinets up above, and then we've got a shower, stand-up shower. It's a 48-inch shower, making it real tall in space for tall guys out there to stand up inside. And then we'll take it back to the master. You'll see again another pocket door closing off for the privacy. And you come on back here, and you'll see what we decided to go with is again the sliding glass doors here in the master. So what I would suggest, you can add another deck off the back at a later time if you'd like. Or you can just have a nice set of steps right there, and that way if you're on the lake or anything like that, just hop down in the morning, drinking your coffee, walk straight to the water. You'll see we've done the shiplap again everywhere in here. We've got the nice barn doors and the built-in dresser with the space up above for the TV. So you got a good amount of closet space on each side. And then we went ahead and got your mini split units in there for your AC and heat, all controlled by remote. This is in the master. You also have one in your main living area. And guys, follow me back through so you can again see the space in this 399 square foot tiny home. Everything that you need, everything has a designated area in this home. And you'll see as we go back into the living space, it opens up. Remember that raised roof line? It just takes it up larger than life. And guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, as I presented you the Wedge. And feel free to come in to Rockwall, Texas at Recreational Resort Cottages, ask for me, and ask how I can get you your Wedge. Have a nice day.